Hello guys, you're watching Technology and Fun YouTube channel and I'm Raihan Khan. Guys, today we'll learn how to edit photo with Photoshop Atom Effect. So first open your photo and go to Adjustment Tools. Okay, now click Channel Mixer and select Output Channel Red. Okay, now set red color 0 and green color plus 200 and blue color minus 100. Okay, close it and go to blending mode and select lighten. It's done. Let's see final view. Guys, it's a short tips and tricks, so get more videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and write in the comment box what kind of video you need. Thank you.